Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisinelovers. Today I will be making a very simple preparation, it's called Navratan Korma. Where I will be using 9 different kind of ingredient where different types of vegetables, dry fruits and nuts will be present, and the name of the dish, it has came from this 9 types of ingredient which are used in this preparation. And korma gravy, it should be little white in color, at the same time Navratan Korma always it should be little sweet in taste. And the name basically it has came from the Mughals Darbar or from the Mughals court. तो ये जो नवरत्न कोरमा है हम लोग बनाएंगे वेरी इजी मेथड में हम लोग बनाएंगे so that you can make it at your home very easily. So let us start. For Navratan Korma, first we will start with the korma gravy and then I will shallow fry all the 9 kinds of vegetables and dry fruits and then we will mix it with the gravy and we will finish it. So my pan is hot, I will give some oil in it, some refined oil for the korma gravy. So once the oil is hot, I just temper the oil with cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf, cumin seed, some clove. I just mix everything nicely. Once the cardamom start crackling, I will add boiled onion paste. So let me add the boiled onion paste. Mix it nicely. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. So once the gravy is getting cooked, by that time let me fry the 9 kind of ingredients. So again take some oil, we need to keep stirring the gravy at a frequent interval so that it does not stick at the bottom of the pan. So once the oil is hot, I will add the paneer first. Just give a stir. In gravy the onion is almost ready. I will add some ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely. I will add the vegetables. So for that, cauliflower, beans, green peas, carrot, sprinkle some salt, then I will add some almond, some cashew nut, some walnut and raisins. So 9 kind of vegetables along with nuts I have added. Just give a good stir. So once you will find the raw flavor of ginger garlic has removed, I will add some green chilies in it. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स होने के बाद हम लोग इसमें डालेंगे धनिया पाउडर, थोड़ा सा जीरा पाउडर, so frying of our vegetables along with the paneer and dry fruits is done. I just keep it covered. So let me now finish the gravy. So at this stage I will add some water. So mix it nicely. So at this stage I will add some salt. I will add some curd, some cashew nut paste, mix it nicely. I'll add some more water in it. So after giving water, I'll give some sugar and I will cover the pan and boil for a minute. So almost 5 minutes over while we are cooking the gravy. Our gravy is almost ready. I just removed the cover, and at this stage while the gravy is ready, it is boiling, I'll add this fried vegetables and nuts in the gravy. So now give a good mix and cover this pan and simmer it for maximum 1 minute so that the gravy taste goes inside this navratan, goes inside these nuts and vegetables, and then we will finish it with some ghee and garam masala powder. So almost I have simmered the vegetables along with the nuts in the gravy for 1 minute. So let me just finish it. For the finishing, I will add some ghee, some garam masala powder, mix it nicely. So it is now ready to serve. You can enjoy this dish with any kind of Indian bread like paratha, naan, along with this Navratan Korma or any kind of pulao preparation. हमारा Navratan Korma ready है. अब इसको परोसते हैं. Nice. So after this, I'll add some cream. We'll give sprig of coriander leaves. And tomato rose. So the delicious Navratan Korma is ready for you. Enjoy this recipe, prepare it at your home and write in my comment section how you have made it. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Happy cooking!